Cartridge-type hydraulic pumps. Professional voiceover script. Hello everyone and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we will briefly introduce cartridge-type hydraulic pumps and explain why they are widely used in industrial hydraulic systems. Cartridge-type hydraulic pumps are known for their smart and service-friendly design. In these pumps, the main pressure and flow generating components, including the rotor, vanes, cam ring, and side plates, are assembled into a single removable unit called a cartridge. One of the key advantages of cartridge-type pumps is ease of maintenance. When internal wear or performance loss occurs, there is no need to replace the entire pump. The cartridge can be quickly removed and replaced, allowing the pump to return to near original performance. This greatly reduces downtime, maintenance costs, and production interruptions. Most cartridge-type hydraulic pumps are vane-type pumps. As the rotor rotates, the vanes move smoothly inside the cam ring, creating controlled changes in chamber volume. This design produces a smooth, pulse-free oil flow, resulting in lower noise levels compared to gear pumps. Because of this, cartridge-type pumps are well-suited for applications that require quiet operation and precise hydraulic control. These pumps offer reliable efficiency, stable operation at medium pressure ranges, and fast internal component replacement. They are commonly used in machine tools, hydraulic presses, industrial automation systems, and manufacturing equipment. Thank you very much for watching. We hope this explanation was helpful and informative. If you found this video useful, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more practical hydraulic training content.